Transferring money from SBI to a UK bank account is very easy. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Transferring money from State Bank of India to a UK bank account involves a few steps. Firstly, SBI offers the FX Out platform, which is for remittances from India to various countries including the UK. This platform is available at all SBI branches and also to retail internet banking users through the website onlinesbi.com. Also, you can transfer funds in USD, GBP, Euro, AUD, and SGD. The per transaction or per day limit for transfers through INB is US dollars 25,000, or equivalent within the overall limit of the liberalized remittance scheme for domestic customers. Ensure that your account in KYC is compliant with an updated PAN. Then, visit any SBI branch with the beneficiary details for assistance. Also, consider using online platforms like Instagram or Wise. These services allow you to send money from India to the UK with a competitive exchange rate and transparent fees. If you have any friend or family member in the UK who needs cash in India, you can exchange funds directly with them.